gonna say, bud, I already lost you. Got it on Zoom so I can watch this shit. Pretty good.
If you guys are watching, I recommend more go towards like the 50-yard line. Hey, can we tighten up, guys? Bring it in! You all have to hear me. Tighten up! Bring it in! Come on! You've fought each other all day. You might as well come on in. Bring it in, guys. Come on.
I think it's crazy.
Make sure to watch the shot.
That guy's lit up already, and he's got a lot of fat on him. That'll swell up easier.
Nah, mine bounce off better. Uh-oh.
Oh, no!
Oh, my God!
God, look at the barrel on that thing.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Jesus.
That's crazy.
Can everybody hear me okay? Yeah. Just call me Sean. I hate sir. Can everybody hear me okay? Yes, sir. Thanks a lot for coming out, guys. Not even a sprained ankle today. That was great. Go on! Go on! Woo! Are we gonna go on? Go on!
You know that guy?
For you guys that have never done Rain and Paint, Rain and Paint is simply a game of submission. You play until you can't take it, you're out of paint, or you're out of air. Okay? Guys, when we're doing this, we allow 15 minutes for it, okay? But if you see all the referees start going like this, cease fire. There's a reason why we might stop it, okay? So everybody knows to stop when the refs start waving their hands, right?
Yes.
After we stop it, get your barrel cover on the gun. Do not shoot up in the air, alright? Come back down.
Like some scumbags do.
Plug your gun. Once again, I thank you. Everybody's going to go back up that same path for all the prizes and all that. Can I get a show of hands? Orange team, raise your hand. Blue team, raise your hand. It's been all day. Do not start the game until I go, alright? Yes, John. Blue team over there. Yeah. Orange team, by the book. Going over there. Orange team, by the book.
Who were the people that broke into the bus?
They got arrested.
They did?
Yep.
Wow. Blue team's gonna keep going. Why would they get arrested for that?
Because they, I don't know, I guess they consider it destruction of Splatter Park property.
Hey, Orange team, you're going to go that way. You're going to get slaughtered if you stay there. Orange team, you're going to get slaughtered if you stay there. Go that way.
They don't understand that. That's why they fucking lost.
Orange team, go that way. Blue team, do not fire.
Wow, look at the orange now, look at the blue. Things are so uneven.
Exactly.
Oh my God. Yeah, man. Stay with it, buddy. I'm ready, baby. Come on up here. There you go. Oh, yeah.
Oh man, they're gonna get fucked up sitting right there.
RT, are you ready? Blue team, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, get up!
Retards! You're supposed to shoot them! Over here is off limits, bitches! Shoot them, not us! The Rain of Paint 2008 or 2009. I said 8.
It just rhymed.
Yeah.
Dad!
Look at that fat bitch got busted up.
Dad! Dad! Show us your wound!
And video.